Yes, a warm evening to all of you. Like today, I wanna take you guys through Excel. For example, like the anatomy of a spreadsheet. So, like I'm gonna really elaborate it to you guys. Like that those who wish to make report cards, body sheets, and many other things, but they're finding it hard how to use what spreadsheets. So that is why I've come with this idea, like to create a really complete course, like to show you guys like how Excel is done, majorly the functions that are there. I really wanna explain it. So this one is a really complete course for you if you know you're a beginner. Straight away we can go to it. You can come have your version of Excel, whereby I have mine here, which is already loading. So once you open it here, your Excel app, when you open it, that Excel of yours, you'll come here where you see home. Home, this is what it has. It is what has where you have a blank workbook, the billing statement, sales report, this one, everything here. Then some of the works that you've been doing. For example, I have some of the projects I have been doing here that are already displayed here. Then this other two here that is a new and the open. This one's also like this one's a detection. This one's that it is restricted. It comes from where home is. So this one's in general. It has like what everything. An example here, we're going to open what a blank workbook. If you're starting like a new project, like if you want to create something like a new report card, you open what a new blank one. So once you open it, this is how it is. Here, this is what we call what the worksheet. This is your worksheet. So like here, when you see this one, the sheet one, you have worksheets. When you keep on adding them, like here, these worksheets here. The collection of this, what you've seen here, what I've created, see, this one means like you add what worksheet. For example, if you've used this other one, you've used number one, you want to maybe add another one to number two. This here, the four here, the sheets that I've created. This one, a collection of this is called what? A workbook. A workbook. That one. Then another thing is I wanna take you guys through what anatomy of spreadsheet. When you come to anatomy of spreadsheet, number one what we have is what the row. When you see this like what I've highlighted here, this one means what it is a row. Then when you come to this here, this one is what a column. So number one, it has rows and the columns. So like when I come to read this, for example, if I put my cursor there, this one where I've placed this one is the active cell. This one is a cell and this one is what an active cell. This is why you're going to type your words. This other one. So like this one, how you read this cell here, for example, if you're told to read this, you read it like cell C3. You read from here, then here. This one is what cell C3. So like the intersection of here of this, that is what we call what a cell. Here a cell, that is a cell. Then like an example, like maybe let me highlight this. I want to highlight this like this. When I highlight this, a collection of these many cells. This one is called what? Like a collection of these many cells is called. This one is called a range. Collection of these ones, it is a range. So how you can read this range? It is the range F F8 to K. You read this one so from down here to K17. Then another thing, like when you come here to home, like what we see here. What we see here, we see file, home, insert, page layout, formats, data, everything here. Like for an example, if I tap here, like what? Home. When you tap there home, it displays this. What we see here, these ones are called the tabs. These are what? The tabs. This is a spelling, the tabs. Then here, these other ones here, the many ones where you see this one, see the calibra, the what, all this here, this one's called the what? The ribbons. These ones are the ribbons. Maybe you can tap it here for someone and enter it here, the ribbons. This one's called what? Ribbons. Then another thing, like apart from the ribbons, when you come to down the ribbon, there's some ribbons like they're really expanded, like there are very many. So an example is this one where you see these arrow like this one on this other ribbons, there is at the end there, top right, there is here down. When you come to this one also there are things here like these arrows that are showing something down. What they show here, these ones are called, these ones are the these ones are the launch buttons. Maybe I can type here. Let me type it for someone. They are the launch launch buttons. So like this launch buttons, like majorly what how they help us, like for example when you see on this ribbons here, like the space is small, so like other things are not accommodated here, they can't be accommodated here. So that is why you have this launch ribbons to this launch buttons to help us. So like when you tap on this, you see it brings a lot of things here like functions, you see bold, the algebra, what all this here. So this is basically what you mean by anatomy of what spreadsheets. So here friends, another thing is like down here where we created like our worksheets. An example, like you might not need maybe to display here like what our worksheet. What you can do is you right click, it will bring your options like rename. So here I can rename, like I can put my name daily, then press enter, it is saved what your name what you want. Then maybe like after doing your work, because there are very many things. Like an example, what I forgot here is again the formula. Here is the formula bar. Like any formula you enter, like an example, sum, like this one equals to sum. Then maybe if I had work here, I would calculate it there, and then that one, this one is called what the formula bar. So here, like after making your work, you come to where you see files. Then if you already have like, if you already have like some work, like for example me I have here where a file like I made like in Kamilas, I can save it here, like that's press what save. But if you don't have one, then you can come here to save as. So you tap this one save as, then other things like yeah, print, export, share, like your work like that. So yeah, where we have reached now, I call it a complete course. Please guys, make sure you like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, because more videos are coming on this, and I'll be dropping them soon in the next lecture. See you guys.